He was rejected 10 times, but one decision changed his life. Learn English through story. He was rejected not once, not twice, but 10 times. Everyone told him, "You are not good enough." But what he did next changed everything. This is the story of Ali, a boy who was afraid to speak English. Every time he tried, people laughed. One day, he stood up and said, "I want to improve my English." But he said, "I am very confused." The class laughed. Ali sat down. His confidence was broken. That night, he asked himself, "Should I give up? Maybe they are right." But then he made one decision. He said, "I will learn no matter what." He started watching stories, listening, repeating every single day. Days passed, weeks passed, and one day something changed. He stood again, and this time he said, "I am confident and I can speak English." No one laughed this time. They were surprised because the boy who was once afraid was now confident. Let's learn some English from this story. Confident, give up, no matter what. Remember, people will laugh at you, but one day they will clap for you. Just don't give up.